Are you tired of the same old boring fonts in Windows 10 or 11? It can feel like you're stuck in a design rut, but changing them might be easier than you think. In this video, we will explore how to easily change the font settings on Windows 11 to personalize your desktop and improve readability. Here, find the font you want to use and note down its name. You can also install new fonts from the Microsoft Store. I'm going to use the Cambria font for now. Next, open the Registry editor. You can do this by pressing the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, or you can search for it in the search box. Then type regedit and hit Enter. Now that the Registry editor is open, go into HKey local machine and then find the Windows NT folder. Then click the drop-down arrow on the current version and find fonts. Now you'll see a list of font substitutes on the right side. Locate the font you wish to use. For instance, if you wish to use Cambria as your new system font, make sure to note it down. The next essential step involves backing up the registry. Instead of creating a comprehensive backup, we focus on backing up the specific keys. This method allows for easy restoration when you decide to revert to the default system font. Also export font substitutes in case you wish to change those as well. Name it anything you'd like. I'm just going to name it font substitutes to make it easier to remember. To modify the default system font in Windows, we need to ensure that Windows recognizes the font we select. Begin by opening the Start menu, searching for Notepad, and clicking on the top result to launch the Notepad program. Copy and paste the following script into Notepad, replacing your font name with the name of the font you desire, including its extension. I will provide the script in the description. Now that we've done that, go back to the font screen and find the font you'd like to select to be the new default. As I mentioned previously, I'm choosing Cambria Math for this demo, but you can research and pick any font you'd like. Double-click on the font you'd like to use and copy the value data name. Take the copied name and replace the text here with it. Ensure it includes the file extension. Then save it. By default, it's going to try and save as a .txt, but select all files as the save as type. Then add the extension .reg to the file name before clicking save. Navigate to the File Explorer. Locate the directory where you stored the file, right-click on it, and choose Merge from the context menu. It will show an Are you sure pop-up, agree, and then it will tell you it's completed. Finally, reboot your PC to implement the changes. Once your computer has restarted, you should see the new system font applied throughout Windows. The font I chose wasn't a significant difference from the original font, so it might be difficult to notice. However, all changes are done now. To return to using the default system font, simply access the backups you created earlier and merge them. This action will restore the original font settings, reverting your system to its default configuration. After that, restart the system. After restoring the two files and restarting the system, the font will revert to the default for Windows, and there you have it. That's how you can change the system font in Windows 11 and Windows 10 using the registry. Remember to be cautious when making changes to the registry and always back up your system before making any modifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.